we are building the capacity of smallholder farmers in the production of soybeans, whereby we give them trainings in agronomy and quality control, and we also give them trainings in leadership, assertiveness, and marketing. Furthermore, we link our smallholder farmers to markets, which are input and output markets. So we have seed companies such as Seedco, Zamseed, MRI, and also Astro, which is a market that buys these soybeans.
Joyce Boa, ishina lya ndi. Nali upo nalikota balume n'abaana babiri. Ndalima soya. Nalimine soya mu 2014. Nakwetemu 11 bags. 11 bags nakweteyo. Nalisa ashitisha. Nashita motu mufundo. Nalimisha mona amabala. Soya yo mumwene. Impere 41 bags. Ngana ashitisha ndefu inkalime 2 hectares. Ngana alima 2 hectares. Ndefu abonse abashita soya. Bakese ishita. Ninkwate ekimwela. Pamonga na mayo. Ukulima soya.
Newe Dorothy Pili, ndi mlimi wa soya beans. Soya beans ila mpera profit. Ukuchila isho nalesanga mmatava. Iyo natampira kulima soya beans nalisanga mu ubukumu. No bikashwe bwali chinja. Po natampira kulima soya beans. Ndasambirisha ko n'abana be school. Soya beans yali ndenga na iswisha na account. Soya beans ne yali ndenga nakula kunenganda paili palu flavor. Apa ninkwate pange ili akulunda kwebala. Pani nalimine fe 1 hectare. Iyo nasombwele mu 35 bags. Namba pande fo kulunda kwebala. Ikabe pari 2.5. Imi mine ya soya beans taitu shupa. Bantu basapu bali tuminkanya kuma companies ya shembuto nemiti. Like kuno bali tuletera ba MRI namba companies yambi. Abatisambirishya ukubika widikira mu mabala Yesu. So twalitsange cyanguka misekwirire ya soya beans. Pano epashe depo tuleta soya beans bonse ngama farmers bakuri inwe nchende.
Tuli abansansa sana bakukwata ekikuru ekipandu kire twafuirisha akale kyale tushupa sana. Twalesha fe umo mayanda. Nomba apa tulaleta fe bonse pano na baastro besa pano mukutushita soya. Kanshi kirengero kwa tifo natukwata ensansa na mfeni mu milimine tatwakala shupika sana. Akale tuware shupika mu milimine Yesu munando akwe bati pakuti ushitishe soya wende otware ntamfu itali. So ifo tuli abachimwemwe fe sana ekikalamba fe sana.
Chikuru kine tukwete emo tule kwatira amasambiriro aya kusambira obulimi bwa soya aya ntungulushi amasambiro fe ayengi fe ayesa kuno kwena tunatukwate shuko tunatukwate chikuru mu tusambirira
umulimo wa aggregator fotuchita tulasamu kupima soya ama farmers ngabaleta pano pene pa shed so umulimi ngaleta tulaloleshamo muri soya yakwe ukumona quality ngatwamona taili bwino tulabe pushota tibenga ya sorting apa kutila valeta ikwete a good quality.
We buy soybeans. We buy soybeans from commercial farmers as well as from smallholder farmers. We are happy to be dealing with smallholder farmers that are being supported by Oxfam. Oxfam together with SAP and Heifer. These smallholder farmers have been given skills that have enabled their soya to be of good quality. The soya is well graded, it's clean, and even the procurement itself is smooth. We just go to the sheds which have been provided by these cooperating partners and purchase from there. We find that the farmers are well organized, they have aggregation skills, and even some form of management skills. As you may be aware, the smallholder farmers, this sector in Zambia is not well developed, it's not well organized, and partners such as Oxfam are doing a commendable job in this effort. Would want to see this kind of intervention being replicated throughout the country, so that we can have soybeans being grown by any farmer that has the potential to grow, because the return on investment from soybeans is very good compared to the other traditional cash crops.
GEM project is being implemented in the Copper Belt province in Kalulushi and Mufulira districts, mainly concentrating on dairy value chain as Heifer International. This project is working in partnership with a vet private sector, which is by MEDA and also Parmalat.
Ineni nebo Rosemary muyuni ntumbo panonjikala ni Paravat Farm. Kunu moku nalitampa ukulongana kuli ba Mokambo West Women's Club. Uko vale tusambilisha ubulimi ubwa ng'ombe isha mukaka. Neshi ng'ombe vali tupera pa 5 February. Ero batupere naleshu pikwa sana pakulisha iyi ng'ombe na mumirire na mumibombere yandi. Ing'ombe yandi yali papa pa 5 July. Ero yapa apire nalita mpoko kama omukaka. No mukaka nde kama chila bushiku. No kushitisha ndashitisha. Ndakama 21 liters, 20 liters. Iya kubomfya panganda ne yapa kupera aba bomfi. Ero nashako 18 liters. Ndashitisha ndasanga limbi 90 kwacha. Limbi 100 kwacha chila bushiku. Kanshi ubwikalo bwandi na buchinja.
Ine bwani mashiri abamule munapa nibapo mashiri bena mwanzi akwena twalipokelele ng'ombe ya mkakeyi akwena ila twafwa ifa twali kunu moku nefe tulipali inonshita au pali upusano kwa novukulu sana fye twale chula kumufundo tatwale limefya kulya fingi banta pali kwene kwa tatwa kuanishe chakwa chitwa twala kumufundo tatwa kuanishe kwa chitwa samisho mwana we skulu ao nomba pe fintu na fiwama tuina mapange yakwa bati apa kwena apa tuli apa twe kwati twachilapo nomba
natashamkwai fyalanda vena mwandi fishinka chachine inamei ya vena mwandi ndabafuilisha ko kulisha kaidi inamei na iture terobukumu nakule na kuliplani kwete avena mwandi ndi muntu mo wa kubafuilisha kulinganga ne muina mwabo.
My name is Ruth Galeta Zulu. I am one of the beneficiaries of a dairy cow from Gendered Enterprise Marketing Project. The benefits of having this dairy cow is that I'm able to get money every day selling milk. At least I sell about 20 liters per day at 6 kwacha per liter. I'm able to get 120 kwacha every day.
Ifwe kuno twapokelele ng'ombe mu 2014 shafumile kuli ba Heifer na ba Oxfam. Ishingombolo batupere ishayishire na mafumo. Ilo tushayishire na mafumo mu 2015 shakwata abana. Twalikwa to bwafya sana bwa kushitisha omukaka. Ilo twakweteshi ilo twambiro kama omukaka kaichira muntu wapokele ng'ombe ale kama. So kwa kushitisha omukaka kwali tushupa sana. Nomba ba Oxfam na ba Heifer na batukulira kwe chikulo echiri kunu makumweso uko. Na chipano kupo chilelo lelo afye matanks nga batu ikira mufya matanks na ene ali munshilanga batu ikira mufya matanks foni shitwambo kuleto mukaka kuno awo mukaka kala shitona ba Parmalat mukwahi ifo tuli nensansa sana bantu ichikulu echinachipwa no kwa kushicho mukaka nomba twala kwata.
And we as Parmalat were very happy to see that Heifer International is giving us another MC in charge area here. Normally we collect milk from centers ourselves and then pay the farmers at month end. We also carry a lot of trainings for the small scale farmers so that the farmers should follow what quality does farmers accept.
The completion of the milk collection center is of great help to the farmers. It will help them very much, and I'm sure the farmers will be very happy because they will be bringing their milk here and Parmalat will be buying from them. Not only that, this place will not only be used for selling milk, but it will also be used for other things like selling of feed and drugs.
Ifeita tuombe